नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन अवर ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स।
दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम मैथमेटिक्स के एक ऐसे टॉपिक पे चर्चा करने वाले हैं जिसका उद्देश्य है समय बचाओ, अंक पाओ और सफलता की ओर कदम बढ़ाओ। आज का हमारा वीडियो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर क्लास से रिलेटेड नहीं है, बल्कि शिक्षा जगत से जुड़े सभी सीखने वालों से संबंधित है। और हमारे इस वीडियो के बनाने का मुख्य उद्देश्य है कि प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं में पूछे जाने वाले प्रश्नों का सिर्फ देखकर ही उत्तर दें। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज के इस वीडियो में हम कुछ प्रश्न लेकर आए हैं जिनको आप सिर्फ देखकर ही उसका आंसर देंगे, लेकिन अगर आप उसे सॉल्व करेंगे, उसका सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे, तो उसमें आपका बहुत ज्यादा समय भी जाएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिना समय गंवाए हम प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं में सफलता कैसे प्राप्त करते हैं, आइए देखते हैं उन प्रश्नों को। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन केस नंबर 1 पे आधारित है। When all sign are multiplication in the given question. So dear, this is the question number first. This is given that you just see on the screen over root under root 7 into under root 7 into under root 7 and so on up to infinite. Then find the answer of this question. How can you tell? So dear, if all sign are multiplication and number is either even or odd, then the number itself is your answer. Means answer of this question is 7. You can solve this question, you will get the answer 7. Okay, now moving for case number 2. Let us enjoy case number 2 when all sign are positive in the given question. So you see, just this is the question, under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6, and this is up to infinite. So what is the answer of this question? So dear, note down it. If the numbers just inside in the under root as above is a even number, okay, note this point. If the number is even, then we find the factor of that number into the form n into n plus 1. That is, the difference of both factors should be 1. Then always n plus 1 is the answer of the given question. N plus 1 means highest factor is the answer of this question. So dear, here is the question is under root 6 and given number is 6 just inside the root. So this is even number, therefore we find the factor. The factor of 6 is 2 into 3, means difference of 2 and 3 is only 1. Okay, this is in the form of n plus 1. Okay dear, now moving for next step. Then the answer of this question is the highest factor. Highest factor is 3. So the answer of this question is 3. Without solving this question, you can tell the answer within 1 second. So dear, answer of this question is 3. What you learned in this question? If the number is even, then you factorize the number in the form of n plus 1. Means difference of both factor should be 1. Then highest factor is the answer of. Enjoy the video and let us another question just based on case number first. So the question is under root 72 plus under root 72 plus under root 72 plus under root 72 and up to infinite. So find the value of this question. You can observe only this question and tell answer in within 1 second. So dear, 72 is a even number and the factor of 72 is 9 into 8. 9 8 is 72 and this is just in the form of n into n plus 1. Means difference of both factors should be 1. Therefore highest factor is 9. Therefore the answer of this question is 9 finally. Another question just based on this case, 42 plus 42 under means under root 42 plus under root 42 plus under root 42 and so on up to infinite. So once again you observe that this is the even number and the factor of this number is 42 equal to 6 into 7. 6 7 ja 42. So highest factor is 7. It means the answer of this question is 7. Okay, I think that this step is clear for all. Now moving for step number 3rd. When all signs are negative. If you get all signs are negative, then what to do? Once again you will find the factor of given number, and condition is number should be even. So you find the factor of the given number, and the smallest factor is the answer of that question. Factor should be just in the form of n and n plus 1, means difference of both factors should be 1. So in that case, if signs are negative, all signs are negative, then answer is the smallest factor. That is, the factor of 30 is 5 into 6. The smallest factor is 5. So the answer of this question is 5. Okay, I think that step of this question is also clear. You will select only the smallest factor, and the factor just in the form of n and n plus 1, means difference of factor should be 1. 6 minus 5, that is 1. Okay, now moving for step number 4. So what to do in that case? Once again let us question this. 20 minus minus, all signs are minus. The factor of 20 is 4 5s are 20, and the smallest factor is 4. So the answer of this question is 100% 4. So just you observe the question and tell the answer. So answer is 4. Now moving the step number next. 4. When all signs are positive and number is odd. In this case, number is odd. Then what to do? So dear, see, this is the under root 17 plus under root 17 and up to infinite. What is the answer of this question? Well, condition is all the numbers are odd. You cannot factorize. So dear, what to do in this case? Here all signs are positive and number is odd. Then we use the simple formula, under root 4n plus 1 and plus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number. You will just put in this formula the given number, that is 17. So you put the 17 in the given question. But dear, if all signs are negative, then some difference in the formula is, if all signs are positive, then you will put here plus 1 just out of the under root, and if the sign are negative, then you put minus 1 just outside of the root, but the number just inside the root is same. Okay, and denominator is also same. So what is the answer of this question? Let us understand, to try to understand. So this is formula, 4n plus 1 just inside the root and plus 1 just outside. Why plus 1? Because the sign is positive, and divide by 2. So the number is 17. 17 4 ja 68, and 68 plus 1 69, and plus 1 by 2. This is the answer of this question. So you will find the answer just a within moment. Okay dear. Now moving for next case number 5. If the all signs are negative, let us this question. Under root 13 minus under root 13 minus under root 13 and up to infinite. What is the answer of this question? So dear, number just inside the root is odd. You cannot factorize. So we'll use the formula. This is under root 4n plus 1 minus 1. Keep in mind, since the sign is negative, so you will put just here minus 1, and the formula is same, both for negative and positive. So dear, n is 13, so you will put in the place of n, that is 4 into 13, 13 4 ja 52, and 52 plus 1, that is 53, and minus just outside of the root by 2. So this is the answer of this question. Okay dear, now enjoy the video and see the case number 6. So dear, here is once again a odd number is given and sign are alternate negative and positive. When sign are alternately changed, then what to do in that case? So first of all, you observe the sign start with positive sign or negative sign. So we observe here under root 7 plus, first of all we get positive sign, after that negative sign, again positive, means first of all we get the positive. So we will use a simple formula, just difference is -3 here. Formula is same of the previous formula, that is 4n minus 3. In the previous formula this is 4n plus 1, but here 4n minus 3 and plus 1 just outside of the root by 2. But if the sign is start with negative sign first of all, then you will put here -1. So this is the difference. So what is the answer of this question? We will put just in the place of n, that is 7. So 4 7 are 28 and -3, 28 minus 3, that is 25, and 25, this is under root, this is a perfect square number. So the value of 25 is 5 and plus 1 just outside of the root. So 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2 means 3. 3 is the answer. Okay dear. So enjoy the video for the next step. When sign are alternately positive and negative, means the sign is start with the negative sign. That under root 12 minus under root 12 plus, here is no condition that number is odd or even. Number is as you see, as you get, that is here is 12. 12 is the even number, but not change any formula. So dear, we will use the previous formula, that is under root 4n minus 3, and since the sign is start with negative sign, that is minus first of all you will get in the question. So you will put -1 in the formula and divide by 2. This is the same things. So what is the answer of this question? You will put in the place of n, n is given here 12. So 12 4s are 20, 12 4s are 48, and 48 minus 3, that is 45, and -1 just outside of the root. So you will put it the same to same. So this is your answer. Okay dear.
तो दोस्तों, हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि हमारा वीडियो आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे।